Hello guys, is your company challenged by COVID-19 and you're having problems planning your profit and cash flow? You're wasting hours on end on Excel and not having any answer. Bombed by hundreds of guru speech without practical solutions? My name is Paolo Avanzo and I have 35 years of experience as CEO, CFO, Senior SAP Consultant and Management Consultant under my belt. I will use this knowledge and these channels to help you solve your financial problems and issues by answering common and more complex questions. With my knowledge, I can offer you practical and easy solutions that I have embedded in my enterprise integrated financial planning software, ProfitQube. ProfitCube allows you to evaluate the financial status of your company and plan any future scenario to achieve your profit and cash flow targets. Please like and comment with any financial issues, questions, or suggestions you have for me, and stay tuned for next videos to watch how, with the help of ProfitCube, I can fix your company's financial problems. You can find the link to download for free ProfitCube version below this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.